Hi guys, welcome to Puliadi's kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make fruit platters. Fruit platters are a perfect treat for parties. It adds so much beauty to the table and so simple to make. I'm going to make 3 simple fruit platters today. They are so much fun to make and so let's learn how to make them. To make the first platter, we need an orange, some grapes and watermelon. First we are going to cut the watermelon. I have already posted a video on Puliadi's kitchen on how to choose and cut a watermelon. In this video, I will show you how to cut a watermelon briefly. Wash and cut the watermelon into half like this. Cut again into another half and then you can remove the fruit from the rind. You can remove the edges and discard them. You can now slice the watermelon into triangle pieces like this. After cutting the watermelon into triangle pieces like this, we are going to cut an orange. Wash the orange and cut the edges and remove. You can cut the orange into circles like this. After cutting the orange, wash a bunch of red grapes to add to the platter. And you can nicely arrange the fruits like this. First platter is done and let's move on to the next one. The next one is really easy because I'm going to use only red and green grapes for this. Wash both the grapes nicely in a bowl with water and then you can remove them from the stem and make a colorful grape splatter like this. I can guarantee you that the kids will really love this. Let's move on to the next one. To make this platter, we need canned pineapple chunks, Kraft American cheese slice and some toothpicks. I am using Del Monte brand pineapple chunks. You can open the can and you can drain the juice using a strainer. After draining the juice, you can keep the pineapple chunks in a bowl. After that, you can remove the cheese from the wrapper and we are going to cut the cheese into small pieces. You can cut the cheese like this. Cut into 4 vertical lines like this and then you're going to cut them horizontally into 4 pieces again. When you're done cutting the cheese, the pieces should look like this. Now we are going to arrange the pineapple chunks on the platter like this. After we have arranged the pineapple chunks on the platter, we are going to keep the cheese pieces on top of the pineapple chunks. I am making half of the platter with pineapple and cheese and the other half I am going to use only pineapple chunks. Use toothpicks to hold the pineapple and cheese together and also it's easy for everybody to pick it up and eat. Now that your pineapple platter is done, it should look like this. For the extra pineapple in the bowl, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar and nicely mix it. After this, you can keep it in the fridge and then serve it cold. Your world famous fruit platters are ready from the Puglieri's kitchen to enjoy. Whether it's a summer buffet or a winter party, the fruit platter can be the star of the show, and so please make this and enjoy with your family. Thank you.